In this video, we will walk you through the creation of tag groups in Wealthbox to make sure Bento Engine's life event materials will seamlessly arrive in your CRM. Navigate to the Settings page and go to Customizations. On the right-hand side of your screen, you can click on Tags and then select the green button on the upper right to create a tag. Copy and paste the Bento provided life event tags and create a tag for every life event. It is important that the name of the tag matches with what Bento has provided to make sure your CRM is fully integrated. Keep the default option for contacts and click Save. After adding all of Bento's life events tags, your CRM is set up to receive the Bento alerts and materials.